Hey guys, here's one of the budget devices of the Xiaomi. It's a Xiaomi Redmi 7A. So it's a budget phone with big battery. So there's the Xiaomi Redmi 7A for around 70 bucks. So uh, go ahead and open the box. Redmi 7A made black with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. There is a version with a 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB and 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. So I'm going to open the box. Here we go. Here are manuals and warranty card. SIM ejection tool. So it comes with a 4000 mAh battery, 2 megapixel of main camera with artificial intelligence feature. There is a 30 megapixel of camera for China region. So 5 megapixel selfie camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core CPU, 12 nanometers build with Adreno GPU for 5.45 HD plus display, 18:9 full screen IPS display with 720p resolution. It's a dual SIM variant. Here is the charger. 10-watt charging of this 4000 mAh battery. Micro USB cable. It's like an iPhone design, as I can see. So there is no screen protector and case in the box. Anyway, here we go. Here is the front-facing camera, earpiece. I think it's proximity and light sensor. No, sorry, light sensor. Dual SIM, 2 nano SIM cards and micro SD card at the same time. This is the matte black version. There is a blue version too. Okay. So it comes with the Android Pie out of the box, MIUI 10. I hope there will be a upgrade to the Android 10 soon. From first, see, uh, I can't registration without the SIM card. I think no, I've skipped this step. Set the password and setup is completed now. So uh, battery can keep to 2 days of normal using for sure. As you can see, it's running very smooth and fast with this octa-core CPU. 2 GB of RAM is enough for normal apps, daily apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. This is a daily driver for sure. Big battery, good camera. Everything is build quality. It's good. Everything is plastic, of course. On the left side, we have a power button and a volume rocker. There is a 3.5 headphone jack, a noise cancellation microphone, micro USB port, loudspeaker, two dual SIM cards, non-SIM cards with a micro SD slot, upgradable to 256 gig of SD card. So here we go. Very nice device. Yeah, vivid colors, brightness is good. Check it out. Volume, loudspeaker performance. Let's take a quick look at the camera. Not bad. I like it. I like the camera. About as I said, it comes with Android Pie. Very smooth running at all. So there is a dark mode. All things in your phone will be darkened. Brighter flashlight. Yeah, it's running very fast. So when the one of the best features is a double tap to wake the device. So guys, hope you enjoyed my quick review of Xiaomi Redmi 7A. Subscribe for more videos like this one and see you on next device.